head to Barnsley town for some magic tricks. He's the man with the plan and a golden crown, pushing up and tapping down. He's the best around. No need for paint, he'll make it glisten. While you stand round, you better listen. With his tools so fine and a steady hand, he'll make that dent disappear like desert sand. He'll turn that frown upside down in the heart of Barnsley town. The Dent Centre is right there for you. Watch him make your car look brand new. From fenders to doors, in every